Section 1. Introduction. Engineering a Brighter Future. The world marvels at engineering feats, from towering skyscrapers to intricate microchips. Behind these wonders lie the minds of skilled engineers, individuals who dared to dream and build. But the path to becoming an engineer is not always easy. It demands dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence. In India, the Joint Entrance Examination, or JEE, stands as a gateway to this prestigious field, opening doors to the nation's premier engineering institutions. Securing a seat through the JEE is a significant accomplishment, marking the beginning of a transformative journey. Success in this highly competitive exam can shape a student's career trajectory, providing access to world-class education and a platform for innovation. The JEE is not merely an exam, it is a test of aptitude, problem-solving skills, and the ability to thrive under pressure. It is a crucible where young minds are forged into the engineers of tomorrow. Section 2. Cracking the Code. Understanding the JEE. The JEE is conducted in two stages, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. JEE Main is the first hurdle, a qualifying exam for JEE Advanced, which grants access to the prestigious Indian Institutes of Technology and other top-ranked engineering colleges. The exam is known for its rigor, testing students' conceptual understanding and analytical abilities across physics, chemistry, and mathematics. The JEE is typically conducted twice a year, offering students multiple attempts to prove their mettle. The exam format comprises multiple-choice questions, numerical answer-type questions, and in some cases, subjective questions. The syllabus is comprehensive, covering fundamental concepts and their applications, demanding a deep understanding of the subjects. Navigating this challenging exam requires a strategic approach. Effective preparation involves understanding the exam pattern, mastering the syllabus, and developing strong problem-solving skills. It's about building a solid foundation in each subject, understanding the underlying principles, and applying them to solve complex problems. This guide will delve into subject-specific strategies, offering insights into how to tackle each area effectively. Section 3. Physics, the foundation of engineering. Physics forms the bedrock of engineering. It is the science of understanding how the universe works, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. In engineering, physics provides the fundamental principles governing everything from the design of bridges to the development of microchips. Mastering physics for the JEE involves understanding core concepts like mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, and optics. It requires the ability to visualize physical phenomena, apply mathematical tools to solve problems, and connect theoretical concepts to real-world applications. Problem-solving is at the heart of physics. The JEE challenges students to analyze complex situations, break them down into manageable parts, and apply relevant physical laws to find solutions. It's not just about memorizing formulas, it's about understanding the principles behind them and applying them creatively to solve unseen problems. This guide will delve into effective problem-solving strategies and highlight resources to strengthen your grasp of physics. Section 4. Chemistry reactions that spark success. Chemistry is the science of matter and its transformations. It explores the composition, structure, properties, and reactions of substances, playing a crucial role in various engineering disciplines, from materials science to chemical engineering. For JEE aspirants, chemistry is a multifaceted subject, encompassing physical, inorganic, and organic chemistry. Each branch presents unique challenges, requiring a strong understanding of concepts, reactions, and their applications. Physical chemistry delves into the principles governing chemical phenomena. Inorganic chemistry explores the behavior of inorganic compounds, while organic chemistry focuses on the study of carbon-based compounds. Success in chemistry hinges on conceptual clarity and the ability to apply these concepts to solve problems. It requires understanding chemical equations, reaction mechanisms, and the properties of different substances. Mastery of chemical nomenclature, stoichiometry, and chemical bonding is also crucial. This guide will provide insights into each branch of chemistry and offer strategies to excel in this subject. Section 5. Mathematics, solving the equations for success. Mathematics is the language of science and engineering. Mathematics provides the tools to model, analyze, and solve problems in various engineering disciplines. A strong foundation in mathematics is crucial for success in the JEE and in the pursuit of an engineering career. The JEE mathematics syllabus covers a broad range of topics, including algebra, calculus, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, and vectors. Each topic plays a crucial role in engineering, from designing structures to analyzing data. Algebra provides the foundation for solving equations and manipulating expressions. Calculus is essential for understanding rates of change and optimization. Coordinate geometry helps visualize geometric relationships. Trigonometry deals with angles and triangles. And vectors are crucial for understanding forces and motion. Mastering mathematics for the JEE requires a deep understanding of concepts, fluency in mathematical operations, and the ability to apply these tools to solve complex problems. It's about understanding the logic behind mathematical concepts and developing the ability to think critically and analytically. This guide will provide insights into each mathematical topic and offer strategies to enhance your problem-solving skills. Section 6. Learning from the best stories of JEE Triumph. The JEE is a challenging exam, but countless students have overcome its hurdles and achieved remarkable success. Their stories are a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and strategic preparation. One such story is that of Arnav, a student from a small town who dreamt of becoming an engineer. Despite limited resources, Arnav's unwavering determination and strategic approach led him to secure a top rank in the JEE. He focused on understanding the concepts, practicing diligently, and seeking guidance from mentors. Arnav's story is an inspiration, demonstrating that success is attainable with the right attitude and approach. Another inspiring tale is that of Priya, a student who initially struggled with the vast JEE syllabus. She realized the importance of breaking down the syllabus into manageable chunks, focusing on one topic at a time, and seeking help when needed. Priya's story highlights the significance of personalized learning strategies and the value of seeking support from teachers and peers. These stories, and many others like them, serve as beacons of hope for JEE aspirants, demonstrating that success is within reach for those who dare to dream and work hard. Section 7. Crafting your success-effective preparation strategies. Preparing for the JEE is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a well-structured plan, consistent effort, and a strategic approach to learning. Here are some key strategies to craft your path to success. 1. Start early. Don't wait for the last minute to begin your preparation. Starting early allows you to build a strong foundation, cover the syllabus comprehensively, and revise thoroughly. 2. Understand the syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the JEE syllabus and exam pattern. Identify the weightage of different topics and allocate your time accordingly. 3. Conceptual clarity. Focus on understanding the underlying concepts rather than rote memorization. This will help you apply your knowledge to solve diverse problems. 4. Practice regularly. Solve previous year's JEE papers and mock tests to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and identify your strengths and weaknesses. 5. Seek guidance. Don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, mentors, or online resources. Clarify your doubts, get personalized feedback, and learn from the experiences of others. 6. Stay motivated. The JEE journey can be challenging. Surround yourself with positive influences, celebrate small victories, and maintain a growth mindset to stay motivated. Section 8. The value of dedication, turning dreams into reality. The JEE is not just an exam, it's a test of character. It demands dedication, perseverance, and the ability to push beyond your comfort zone. Success in the JEE is not solely determined by intelligence, but also by the commitment you bring to your preparation. Dedication means setting clear goals and working tirelessly towards them. It involves making sacrifices, prioritizing your studies, and staying focused on your aspirations. It's about making every minute count, utilizing your time effectively, and pushing yourself to learn and grow. Dedication also means learning from your mistakes, identifying your weaknesses, and consistently working to improve. It's about not giving up when faced with challenges, but instead using them as opportunities to learn and grow stronger. Section 9. Beyond the JEE, a world of opportunities. Clearing the JEE is just the beginning. It opens doors to a world of opportunities in the field of engineering. Top engineering institutions offer world-class education, cutting-edge research facilities, and a platform to interact with brilliant minds. Graduating from these prestigious institutions equips you with the skills and knowledge to tackle real-world challenges and contribute to technological advancements. It opens doors to diverse career paths in various sectors, from software development to aerospace engineering. The JEE is not just about securing a seat in a college, it's about embarking on a journey of lifelong learning, innovation and problem-solving. It's about joining a community of engineers who are shaping the future and making a difference in the world. Section 10. Conclusion: Your journey to engineering excellence. The journey to becoming an engineer is paved with challenges and rewards. The JEE, with its rigorous tests and high stakes, is a crucial step in this journey. But remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey itself. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never stop striving for excellence. The JEE is not just an exam, it's an opportunity to discover your potential, push your limits, and emerge as a skilled and innovative engineer. Believe in yourself, stay dedicated to your goals, and never give up on your dreams. The world needs skilled engineers, and your journey to engineering excellence starts now.